Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'm showing you some new designs from the Washi tape shop. They always have a fun variety of different styles, and if you're interested, I do have a link in the description box below. You can always save 10% with my code KristieM10. And throughout the year, they also offer different sales, so be sure to check out if there's a current sale going on right now. Otherwise, use my discount code so you can save 10% off your order. The first set of washi tape I'm showing you is called Coffee Washi Tape Sticker Set, and there are 4 rolls included in the one set. This is only available as a washi tape option, but there are so many cute designs. And all 4 rolls in this set include different designs. Each roll is about 5 meters long. I'm trying to open up this first roll carefully so I don't ruin some of the adorable stickers. If you're not a fan of fussy cutting, no worries. These are all pre-cut, so no fussy cutting required. There are some sentiments and lots of super cute coffee images. These would be really fun to use in a journal or planner. If you're like me, a card maker, they would make super cute images on a card. Pair them with some fun pattern paper. So now I'll open the second roll. I live in Western Washington, and it may be hard to believe, but I cannot stand the taste of coffee, but I absolutely love the smell. My husband loves coffee, and if he makes some, he'll put just a little bit in a mug and place it in my craft room so I can smell it. When I was opening the second roll, one of the stickers got stuck on the end tape piece, and I was trying to remove it carefully so I didn't waste it. So there's a look at the second set of designs, and then off screen I open the last 2 rolls just to save on time. So lots of really fun images, and there are several sentiments. But first, coffee. I like you, a latte. Coffee with a question mark. Coffee is like a hug in a mug. And here's the last roll. More adorable designs and sentiments. And as I mentioned earlier, these are stickers, so you simply peel them up and use them on your projects. The next set has some adorable critter images. It's pre-cut Squeaky Mischief wide washi tape. And this is also available in the PET tape style, so if you prefer that over the washi tape, that is an option. And my next roll, I do have the PET tape, so you can see the difference. This roll is 5 meters long, and the designs start to loop around 100 centimeters. These are pre-cut, so no fussy cutting required. And look at all the adorable images. Lots of mice, there are gnomes, mushroom, floral designs. This set is perfect for spring, summer cards, or you could use the images any time of the year. So here's a look. They're pre-cut. You simply peel it up, place it on your card or project. The next roll is called Pre-Cut Woodland Pals Wide PET Tape. This roll is also about 5 meters long, and the designs start to loop around 100 centimeters. I'll grab a piece of white cardstock so you can really see the adorable designs. And the difference between the washi and the PET tape, washi is paper and the PET is a plastic. So you still have those adorable images, it's just on a clear background. These are pre-cut, so again, you don't have to do any fussy cutting. Lots of super cute designs. I love all the pinks and teals, and look at the fun variety of different critters. This roll would be perfect for spring cards with the different bunny images. Those would be adorable for Easter cards. The next roll is pre-cut Whisker Connection wide washi tape, and this is also available in the PET tape style. The roll is 5 meters long, and the designs start to loop around 100 centimeters. This roll has more adorable images, this time lots of cats and dogs. There are birdhouses, florals, there's a large ladybug, butterfly, bee. Super cute designs. I love the colors. And these are pre-cut, so very simple to use. Simply peel them up and place them on your card or project. The next roll is also pre-cut. It's called Pane and Simple, and I have the wide washi tape. It is also available in the PET tape style. There are 5 meters on the roll, and the designs start to loop around 100 centimeters. This roll is filled with a variety of different window designs. There are also some smaller images where you can decorate the window or windowsill. You can see a few critters. There are some plants. Some of the windows, the inside piece is cut out, so you could add some of those smaller images on the windowsill. And these are pre-cut, so you simply peel them up. The next roll is not pre-cut, but it'll be very easy to cut out the images. It's called Hillside Views, and I have the wide washi tape. It's also available in the PET tape style. So in this roll, there are lots of different large images, perfect to feature on a card or project. And since they're all rectangles, you can easily cut them out with a pair of scissors or your paper trimmer. This roll is 5 meters long, and the designs start to loop around 100 centimeters. I love the fun variety of different images included. The last washi tape I have is part of a 3-roll bundle. I have just 2 of them. There is 1 more included. This is the Rustic Camellia wide washi tape bundle. Each roll is 5 meters long. They're not pre-cut, but you can see the designs start to repeat. I love using this style for borders on my cards. The first roll I'm showing you is called Cottontail. You can see some cute little bunnies mixed in with all the lovely florals. And this bundle is only available as washi tape. There isn't a PET tape option. The second roll I received as part of the bundle is Moonlit Bloom. And the third roll that I don't have is called Rustic Camellia. So here's another look at the new designs I received from the washi tape shop. Lots of really fun designs. I'm in the mood for spring cards right now, so I'll probably use the critter tapes first. The images are absolutely adorable. I'll probably make a few more Easter cards and also some spring designs. If you are interested in any of the tapes that I showed in this video, I do have links in the description box below. And don't forget to use my code KristieM10 to save 10% site-wide. Coming soon, I will be sharing a video using some of the new tapes. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.